Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something else from our Sesame Street party range. Today we've got the paper lantern garland. It is, you get one piece per packet. It's 12 foot or 3.65 metres long. So I'll just open that up and show you it. So basically the garland itself hangs on ribbon, and it's real ribbon, it's not paper ribbon. So it'll be like that, real ribbon. So I'll just pop this down. You just pop the paper character down and just pull the lantern out. I'll just do that for all of them. So as you can see, we have Elmo, Big Bird and Cookie Monster in the lanterns in the matching colours. So nice and easy to set up, and what you'll do is just peg it up in a similar situation to this. Something like that. And they'll hang to the 3.65 metres. So if you have any questions about these paper garlands or anything else in our Sesame Street range, just put a message below and subscribe to us.
Sunny day, sleeping rough.